saying after the replacement of Honorable Muntaka, saying that more constituents no mafano.
Okay, when the ma me fa kwenya we NTT for my neighbor NTO Origin FM so. No kre Asawase Constituents NDC we are saddened. You're who ye judging from the fact that yadi any down the sword the drew baby yet me edin den ho Honorable Montekamo Barak. Na enkan the minority chief whip of Ghana's parliament no. You see the brain finism edi obi foforo aba. Na niye yo mulintino na yesusu ye na ne se bibia Honorable Montekamo Barak edru e Ghana's parliament no. Na the collective aspirations of Yezongo for ne Asawase for the one na ne se obeto asokra akone nim anya positions are 10 that of minority chief whips of Ghana's parliament. Now, when I enrich Yeniana, a Diana, you see, minority chief whip position, yes, sir, AJ Edia Frinism. Now, when a zongo for any Asawase NDC, now air cousin. NDC party in the year Asawase for NDC. Near Omuni ND, Nani said, Anka at least some poor consultations. A course one can be boy. But consultation be a consult not the ye na better say. The letter of reshuffling is being circulated on social media. Not a whole honorable member in the person of Muntaka and name Haruna Idrisono. Or more reshuffling letters, social media soon a co-founded there. That is a party in paying for unregarding ye Asawase for no or my son boot Tamal for South for crying. Ankao yanka say omunye nipa omu 100% today. As human beings we are all prone to what? To errors. We are never 100%. But since society eba we have democratic principles at NDC party there and so and canon NDC party no idea offense political committee omuma all regional parliamentary caucus in a sealed envelope. Nobody accommodated the political committee. The political committee now has the chairman, the former president, and a secretary. No more bleed with that envelope. No. Regional caucus now, votes endorse in tilting to one person. And the political committee regional to the appointment. By way of manisa. There are over more than 30 to 40 MPs. They were never in the room. They were never consulted. Parliamentary caucus said they were never consulted. They were never in the room. Now, Adiana Nkasa Mwangasa Ebo Mudin, Ebo Mupusa. Anything I say, Achiana Yedem, Emui. Let's say about every National Executive Council. There is a higher decision body apart from the National Executive Council, which is the Functional Executive Committee, FEC. We are appealing to this Functional Executive Committee, sir. If let's hear about it's not in the best interest of the party and it was not in the known to them there, they should do the needful. They should call the National Executive to order.
Calling them to order here means one more and rescinding decision now saying.
Rescinding the decision idiom automatically it will not be good to the party because it is going to deepen the cracks that we have in the party. Because so rescinding the decision now, my point to supporters feel they aggrieved. You can say individual we are dealing with for now. No, it's a representative of a very of a constituency. Our constituency may be 40,000, 50,000 votes and any panel ediaba. And appointing them to higher authority. Not within the days now because you are rescinding the decision on them. Say disappointed on there. It will send a bad signal to the grassroots constituents of those people. But the can say the needed process I also part in a fashion by tabling the name to the political committee for the political committee to decide after, then you write, you know what, we thank you for your service. The party has appreciated your efforts. For now, we think we need a new face. No problem. But the approach and the time alone has always been wrong. My justification says part of reorganization. My for NDC Constitution now kind. From Genesis to the NDC Constitution now about what? About the threat of parliamentary leadership as being part of reorganization. There be a video. Until my empire, at their friends said, Jokula reasons and French also. And can say for the time and I say you may be bound and you're bound, but moving forward, idea was a part in paying for and the year they should go back to the table, use the appropriate channel. If changing them is best for the party, so I'm paying for them. Now, when we are there about NDC party and you say, we are going into an election 2024. What's it change this year to give us an added advantage going into what? Into 2024 election. Now, said Obra, World Cup final, no go emblem. Message in a park no more. Who you message free Marco for Patel Krazakaba? Unia? Message in a boom no go Emma, you didn't say you for Patel Krazakabo. Election now, you're 2024. Muntaka and Aruna Druso, or more cloud, or more competence, and how they handle discipline issues and Ghana's parliament in relation to the minority. It's all mass. Ultimate from compoma, you almost say. You say, on the basis of professionalism, you learn on some jobs. But minority leadership in parliament, you don't learn on the job. Now, it will be suicidal on the part of the NDC.
So this decision is suicidal. Now also, on recommended say you resign the decision now. You now what do you do? Because
hello,
me say if you call the
say that policy. Parliament say 137, 138. Now say on the day a by person push and say a Japabium. On the day a by person push comprehensive sexual education bill. Now one man at two force in court case in Accra that day. Sano short of parliament. Sano one the way encore 3 as a ban. And so sometimes when we take decisions, we shouldn't take it lightly like that. He is standing trial on a criminal case. Your minority leader. To bind the person used to case be a means be every party case be not necessarily facing the court day no. Just to harass him and what and to defeat the process of the parliament. Say be obey me passing on court okay the policies and defeat the NDC. It is sometimes yes we are all knowing, but we are prompting people to say sequence of events in our course. It's not showing strength. Say yeah, NDC for your power agent.
Say they are in a Kofaba constituency because they are tete reports to be. Is it true, sir? Ebishe ties ne dia kaka. Is it true, sir? Akofa oyene aba ama ebidia bufo sheshe ties ne dia constituency.
Yeah, also like I said earlier, these leading parliamentary members now are representative of some constituents. Among for na two muswaba. And any day I said, Yasasa or Modibrena, agitations will go on. People will go out to pour on their displeasure. Because among say, baby, I'm not a kind of rule and more elderly. Anka at least ye be a crown for more anka. Yenta almost a couple of banana every. And displeasure now owns amount for many times, amount for attacking party office. No. It's to send signal, direct signal to the party hierarchy say the grassroots is not happy. And if the grassroots is not happier, why the bad grassroots is mom? It's the grassroots now themselves. My father say you need to be you bet me after that in Accra Action party in Stia. He said the remote control over them. Debbie, the base of the party is grassroots. Grassroots is in our party office. Time, I pour onto the street to pour on their displeasure on what? On the disappointment of what? Of these honorable members.
That boy, but quite well, be better me see, Sabia. Ade money bia a form for Becassa, na a bobertoyum, maybe a enco Korea to say the way you so say it is suicidal. Like I said, the party is not ready for power. It now points to a certain direction. Bibi or Hoya and bet me to repair this and
for the time being, Mr. Bibi or party in bet me idea. I think that the National Executive Council and the committee in a whole quite say the way our monarch regions any reconciliation after the original election. They should find that same zeal, that same energy to come to the agreed constituencies to listen to their people. I think once you listen to the green people, like you get to the sense to understand what their grievances better and to attend to them. But the council I think it will not be in the best interest of the party. It's a party national leadership and the echo constituencies are more agree. Not omo echo them. Echo kasa na ma abotuye ma ede aba.
These two honorable party stalwarts